Okay, welcome back everyone. Ryan here with PolarFox Technologies, PolarFox APU. We just finished up a new 12 volt system, 7500 BTU install on a 2019 Cascadia here. So everything under the bunk. With this particular install, we're doing something new that we're probably gonna do in most of the Cascadias from here on out. It's like an extra hour of labor basically on top of our base system. So we got one duct coming out the bottom, and then we ran a dedicated duct up through the cabinet here. So it kind of goes over there to the factory ducting. And then we ran it right up through there. And you have a louver right there in your sleeping compartment basically. So, and then if you want a little extra airflow, you can close this one and increases the flow up that side. So everything except for the condenser on the back of the truck, as you've seen in our past videos, both sides are available for whatever you want to use those for. And you still got a little bit of space left there. And this one does have a factory SPAR Webasto unit, I believe an SPAR unit as well. So that was already in the truck. So everything right here self-contained, nice cool air blowing out today on a 80-degree Northeast Ohio day. And with that, we'll take it outside. Okay, and condenser unit and fan on the back of the truck here. Everything's all custom fit, as with all of our installs. Small profile stainless steel, very versatile install. So we've done them on headache racks, super sleepers. We put them on top of the truck before on the super sleeper, so very versatile install. So pretty well any type of configuration we can accommodate that with the PolarFox system here. So. And last but not least are the dual-purpose lithium batteries, Skana batteries that come standard with all of our systems. So we just take out the original batteries, pop 4 of these in, no DC-to-DC chargers, bisto relays and all that stuff. The batteries, as far as protection, protect your starting. The BMS does all the work itself. So a very simple install. I think today we had from in to out had about 6 hours or so in this install with putting the additional duct in. So pretty quick install, like again for our base install. So pretty much it for the day, guys. Check us out on PolarFoxAPU.com.